Hello? Do you know this can also be a question on a combination which does not involve sentences? We are just having if 6 into bracket 10 combination 6 is equal to z into bracket 9 combination 5. We have to find the value of z. Or they are asking for us to expand what 10 combination 6 is. Then we multiply by 6, do same here, multiply by z, then voila, we get to the answer. Let's try what that will be. So we are having 6 multiplying 10 combination 6 equals to z multiplying 9 combination what? 5. So let's begin with this. We can just say that we are picking 10 combination 6, which is 10 times 9, 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 there, then 6, 5. We have 4, 3, 2, what? 1. So we can see this 6 will cancel this, 5 will cancel that, 2, 4 will cancel 8, then 3 will also cancel this to give us 3. 3 times this, 21 times 10, 210. So that will give us 210. And our 9 combination 6 also simply means that, combination 5, right? Meaning 9 times 8 times 7, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Because of this, 5 times. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That will also mean this will cancel this. This 2 will cancel that. Or let's say this cancel this, this will be 2. 2 times this will be 14. 14 times 9 will be somewhere 126, right? So that is what we are having here. So fast forward, we now have 6 multiplying 210 equals to z multiplying 126. What do you think we are going to do? We need the z, so we divide both sides by the z, even without even multiplying the 6 by the 210. So this means that I still have 6 times 210 divided by 126 equal to z, 126z. If I take it that way, divided by 126, it will cancel. So z is going to be that division. Let's see if you put that. Okay, from the calculator, we should be having 10 because this times 21 is 126. So we have 10. So therefore, the value of z is just what? 10. It means when 10 is used to multiply this and 6 is used to multiply this, the left side will be the same as what? The right hand side. I guess we are through with this. The expansion of the formula is what is needed in order to arrive at this answer. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.